Hello everyone. The ECB meeting yesterday was once again a major market-moving event. The key phrase was when ECB President Draghi said the monetary policy stance remains accommodative. In other words, they are not yet even starting to discuss an exit strategy. The situation in Europe remains fragile, and even after the repayment of the long-term refinancing operations, the ECB wants to maintain an accommodative policy and keep the money flowing. Now, in contrast to French worries about the strength of the euro, Draghi said the currency's appreciation is a sign of confidence in the single currency. And he repeated last month's comments that it's close to its long-term average, which in fact is about 132 over the last 10 years, so he's absolutely right. He did point out, though, that although the currency isn't an ECB target, inflation is its target, and the currency poses a downside risk to inflation. That statement is significant. The ECB has never mentioned that connection before. He also mentioned the currency as an indirect risk to activity through exports. We take these comments to mean that the ECB will take the strength of the currency into account when forming policy and could ease further if the euro continues to gain. So that kind of reasoning sent the single currency lower. The euro's recent strength has been based on two factors. One, the end of fears of a eurozone breakup, and two, the different path of ECB policy from the other major central banks. Now, Spanish and Italian politics are bringing a bit of fear back into the eurozone, while Draghi's comments suggest the ECB won't continue to go its separate way if the currency strengthens much further. Thus, the euro's uptrend may have been broken for the time being. For now, we think we're likely to see a week or so of consolidation. We see strong support for euro-dollar at 133.20 and view 134.58 as a short-term resistance. For those euro bulls still wanting to go long the euro, we recommend looking at euro Swissy, which retraced sharply yesterday. There's limited downside left in this pair and much room on the upside. This is Marshall Gittler, head of Global FX Strategy at IronFX, wishing you solid trading.